Yebo. Lokunjani? Hi people, how are you? Tyrone, Tyrese, eh? Yeah, Tyrone, eh? Where is your show? Love from Ghana. Wow. I am defeated. Oh, it's going down. From America. Hey yo. What's happening, huh? What's happening, my dog? You know what I'm saying? Hey yo, Mkabi checks in here. You know what I'm saying? My dog, my man. Okay, sweet Guluva report to Daddy. Hey, and you shake. Yeah. Oh, hey. Didn't more. What's going on? Lesotho is shouting your name, brother. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Hey, sweet Guluva saying hi from Zambia. I see you guys from East London. It's giving us a bambing goons. Ufuna ukwenzani? Can you please show us your room? Chamloti. Ubhethwe ihamba njani lapho? Aswona ma celebrate. Zingaba nani? Aswona ma celebrate. Aswona ma celebrate. Yeah. Oy, wo. Please say, I ain't going home. I ain't going home. You can split the money. No. Hey, bruv, now we need to convert this money, to euros, so I can be like, fighting. Road manager is more than a road manager, your partner in crime. Yes, boy. Fools, tell them. Boy. Mustafa, down and now we go. Oh, my love me crazy, I need ya. Guys, I need a voice, huh? I need a voice. Can you imitate Big Brother, please? Good, right? Mozambique, okay. Where's Ashley? She's here, not here, but she's here. She's present. She's there in my life. Don't worry, guys. You worry too much. Okay. Where is Ashley? No, she's here, guys. Not in here, but she's here. She's there. She's present. Cape Town. I see you. Ulundi.